قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم وإن بني إسرائيل تفرقت على 72 ملة وتفترق أمتي على 73 ملة كلهم في النار إلا ملة واحدة قالوا ومن هي يا رسول الله قال ما أنا عليه وأصحابي رواه الترمذي. Dear listener, ladies and gentlemen, I am Seema Barira, daughter of Maulana Imamuddin Islahi. I would like to talk to you about some of statement whose name is The Virtue of Unity and the Condemnation of Sect by Imamuddin Ansari, teacher of Dalil Pur Madrasa. My Muslim brothers and sisters, Allah's religion is perfect. There are no sect in Islam, and Islam is not in sect. Allah said in the Quran in Surah Al Imran, ayat number 103, and hold fast all of you together to the rope of Allah, and be not divided among yourselves. Muslim recorded that Abu Huraira said that the Messenger of Allah said, إن الله يرضى لكم ثلاث ويسخط لكم ثلاث يرضى لكم أن تعبدوه ولا تشركوا به شيئا وأن تعتصموا بحبل الله جميعا ولا تفرقوا وأن تناصحوا من والله الله أمركم ويسخط لكم ثلاث قيل وقال وكثرة السؤال وإضاعة المال. It pleases Allah for you to acquire their qualities and displeases him that you acquire their characteristics. It pleases him that you worship him alone and not associate anything or anyone with him in worship, that you hold on to the rope of Allah altogether and do not divide, and that you advise whoever Allah